The intensity at the maximum in Young's double slit experiment is I0. Distance between the two slits is 5 lambda. Lambda is the wavelength used in the experiment. What will be the intensity in front of one of the slits on the screen placed at a distance d equals to 10 times the distance between the slits? So this is the situation here. These are the two slits, S1 and S2, and here's the screen. The screen is placed 10 times d apart. This is d, which is 5 times lambda. So the screen is 10 times 5 lambda away. So capital T is 50 lambda. So the brightest spot is having intensity of I0. So I0 is the maximum intensity. So we know this is a bright spot. So this has intensity I0. Now we want to find out the intensity in front of one of the slits. So we want to find out the intensity here at this point. So at this point, x, that is the distance from the central bright, it is this distance, which is d by 2. That is 5 lambda by 2. The formula for intensity I is 4I0 or 4I1, where I1 is the intensity through the slits, cos square k x d by 2d. So let's put the values. So the maximum intensity is 4I. So this is given to be I0. So we have I0 cos square. Here k is 2 pi by lambda. X is d by 2, that is 5 lambda by 2. D itself is 5 lambda. And 2, capital D is 50 lambda. So this is capital D. So we have 50 lambda here. Okay. So calculating this, I0 cos square. So we cancel out this lambda. We have 2 lambdas in the numerator and 2 in the denominators. We have 1 5 here, which cancels out with this. We leaves us with 10, another 5. We have 2. This 2 cancels out with this. So a 4 remains in the denominator. So we have cos square pi by 4. Now cos pi by 4 is 1 is to root 2. The square of it is I0 by 2. So the intensity at this very point is half of the maximum intensity. Okay. So this is the correct option. The C option is the correct option. Okay. So whenever some random points are given other than the bright and the dark spots, we can use this formula for intensity. Okay. Where x is the distance from the center on the screen. The small d has its usual sense, that is the distance between the two slits. The capital D is the distance between the sources and the screen. Okay.